Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I make a DIY Christmas wreath that you can also adapt to your home decorations. First, I just made a circular shape of wooden base which I got from the branches of a tree, and then I just paint the end of each branches with gold so that it would add up some style and to leave the wreath not so boring and simple. Don't forget to add some space for each wood so that you can tie your decors at the back. Christmas decorations are one of the most important elements of a holiday celebration. While your first thought might be direct your focus towards decorating your interior space, your Christmas tree, living room mantle, and even your dining table. Your home's exterior deserves just as much attention. If you're stumped on where to start, consider your front door. Homemade Christmas wreaths are a great way to give guests a warm welcome for the holiday season without spending a tons of money. It also one of the most classic traditional types of holiday decor and one of the easiest too. You can buy a fake wreath online, assemble one at home, or go out to any local store or Christmas tree stand or find one that's fresh and fragrant. Plus, no matter what type, there are wreath options for you. Still feeling overwhelmed? Here are some DIY Christmas wreaths options to spark your creativity. I will just leave the link in the description below so that you can check out the decorations we have online. Just feel free to browse the website, Instagram, and you can find more home decors that you want.